Hi everyone. Good news for those who are preparing for bank exams. IBPS Recruitment Board has released the recruitment notification to fill the vacant posts of probationary officers and management trainees in various PSU banks. Preliminary exam and main exam will be conducted in the month of October and November. Let's go into the details. The online registration process will start on 5th August and closes on 26th August. Those who are interested apply in between these two dates, and the preliminary exam will be conducted in the month of October, and the main examination will be conducted in the month of November. And pre-exam training, actually they have scheduled to conduct in the month of September, but it depends on the COVID situations. If it is safe to conduct, they will conduct, otherwise no. Application fee is 175 rupees for SC, ST and physical handicapped candidates and 850 rupees for all other candidates. Let's check the eligibility criteria. The age limit to apply for these jobs is the applicant's age should be between 20 years and 30 years, and there will be age relaxation as per government rules for SC, ST 5 years and OBC candidates 3 years, physical handicapped candidates 10 years and ex-servicemen 5 years. For all other categories, the candidate should be born between August 2nd, 1992, August 1st, 2000. Educational qualification to apply for these jobs is the applicant should have completed the graduation in the recognized university, and the candidate must possess the valid mark sheet or degree certificate as on 26th August 2020. The selection process will be done in 3 phases. Phase 1, preliminary examination. At first they will conduct the preliminary examination, and this is only for qualifying purpose. The candidate should have to qualify in this exam. Those who are qualified in this preliminary exam will be eligible for to take the main examination. Based on the performance in the main examination, they will shortlist some candidates for common interview. Those who are selected in the common interview will be allotted in various public sector banks. Those banks are Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO Bank, Bank of India, CBI, PNB, UBI, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. IBPS PO exam pattern will be like this. For preliminary examination, they will conduct for 1 hour. It will consist of 100 questions for 100 marks under these sections: English language, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability. Under phase 2 exam, the exam pattern will be like this. It will be conducted for 3 hours, and it will consist 155 questions for 200 marks under these sections like reasoning and computer aptitude 45 questions, general economy, banking awareness 40 questions, English language 30 questions, 35 questions, and data analysis interpretation 35 questions. Totally 155 questions. Be a descriptive exam. Under that descriptive exam they will ask 2 questions. It will be for half an hour time, and there will be negative marking for wrong answers. Candidates who are shortlisted in the main examination will be called for interview. Before going to apply, the candidate should have to keep all these details with them to apply online. First, they have to scan the candidate's photo, signature, and left thumb impression, and handwritten declaration. And all these 4 copies should be scanned and keep it with them before going to apply online. The content in the handwritten declaration form is this one. Applicant has to write this one in the white paper by his own handwriting, and have to take the scanned copy of this one also and keep it with them before going to apply online. And also keep the online payment details to pay the application fee. Have one personal email, a valid personal email ID to get the intimations regarding this recruitment process. Once after keeping all the necessary things before going to apply online, go to apply online. Here is the step-by-step process to apply. You have to go to the website www.ibps.in and click on this option in the left hand side panel, and then click on this option, and it will open another page, and there you have to click on this option, fill the basic information asked there, and click on save and next button. The candidate will get the provisional registration number and password. Keep it with you, and upload the scanned copies whichever they have asked there. Recheck the filled details and click on save and next button. Pay the application fee, and finally submit the application. Once after finishing the application, take the printout of the e-receipt and online application form for future reference. Here I am going to show you how to apply online. This is the official website of ibps.in, and go to this website, click on this one. It will open this page. Click on this option, common recruitment process for probationary officers. Then it will open this page. Here you have to click on this option, click here for new registration. Then it will open the another page. On this page, here you have to read the instructions given here. After reading the instruction, click on this continue button. It will open this page. Here you have to fill the basic details of the candidate and then upload the photo and signature. Fill the details whichever they have asked there, and then recheck filled details, and then upload the scanned copies whichever they have asked there. Go for payment and finally submit the application. After completion of the application process, you have to take the printout for future reference. This is how you have to apply online. Vacancies in various PSU banks are mentioned here, and due to COVID situations, maybe some of the PSU banks are not reported the vacancy details. Maybe they will fill the vacancies based on requirement after recruitment process. Here is the examination centers mentioned. In Andhra Pradesh, the preliminary examination will be conducted on these. The main examination will be conducted in Guntur, Kurnool, Vijayawada and Visakhapatnam. In Telangana, the preliminary examination will be conducted in these 4 places: Hyderabad, Karimnagar, Khammam, Warangal, and the main examination will be conducted in only Hyderabad. The examination centers for other states is given here. If you want, go to the details here given, the preliminary examination centers and the main examination centers. For the remaining states, the preliminary examination centers and the main examination centers. For remaining states, the preliminary examination centers are given here and the main examination centers are these. At last, once again we check the important dates to apply online. The application process starts on 5th August and closes on 26th August. Those who are interested to apply, go through the eligibility details and apply online before the last date. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel for latest updates. Thank you.